Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this 10-minute yoga practice and mindfulness meditation. Let's begin right away in a seated cross-legged position. Spread your arms out wide and cross your left arm over your right as if you're giving yourself a big hug. Hold on to your opposite shoulder blades. Breathe in, slightly lift your chin up, arch your spine. Breathe out, begin to round your spine, chin towards your chest. Then take a deep breath in through your nose and a relaxing breath out. So as you breathe in, notice your upper body expanding, and as you breathe out, notice your body softening and relaxing. Then as you inhale, come back up and switch sides. Spread your arms out wide, cross your right over your left. Breathe in, arching your spine. Breathing out, round your back. And hold it here. As you inhale, notice the gentle stretch and expansion in your upper body, in between your shoulder blades. And as you breathe out, notice your body relaxing. Nicely done, and slowly inhale, come back up, and release your arms. For a next stretch, slowly turn your chin towards your right side, not too far, right above your right collarbone. Then grab hold of the back of your head with your right hand. As you breathe out, slowly bring your chin down towards your right collarbone. Hold it there. And notice where in your neck you feel the stretch. Notice your shoulders. Relax your jaw. And slowly come back up, release, switching sides. Turn your head towards your left side. Grab hold of the back of your head with your left arm. As you exhale, slowly lower your chin down towards your left collarbone. Hold it here. And breathe. Unclench your jaw and relax your eyes. Take one last breath. And slowly release. Then for a gentle hip stretch, and I'm going to turn this way so you can see it better. Place your hands behind you with your fingertips pointing towards the back. So your legs are still crossed. Slowly lift your hips up. Open your whole front body. There's a slight arch in your spine. So only go as far as you want to go. Breathe into the stretch. And then slowly release. Then change the cross of your legs. And we'll do the same on the other side. With your hands behind you, get ready. Bring your shoulder blades towards each other. Inhale. Lift your pelvis up. Keep breathing, opening up your whole front body. Well done, and slowly release. Sit back down. Then inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, lower your left arm down. Place your left hand on your right knee. And then place your right hand on your left knee. So you're crossing your arms. And then slowly begin to round your spine. Drop your head down. Just take a moment to stay here. Breathe into the stretch. Relax your head. And if it feels good, gently rock from side to side. So let it be intuitive. Follow your body. Well done. And slowly release. And then we'll switch sides. Breathe in. Lift your arms up. As you breathe out, right hand on your left knee and left hand on your right knee. As you exhale, begin to round your spine. Find relaxation here. So remember, let it be intuitive. If it feels good to move your body gently from side to side, go for it. Move and open up the spaces that feel tight. Breathe into it. Then very slowly release and sit upright in your seated cross-legged position. And join me for this short mindfulness meditation. You can rest your palms on your knees and connect the tips of your thumbs with the tips of your index fingers. That can help you with concentration. Gently close your eyes or keep a soft, steady gaze at the ground in front of you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and notice the temperature, the quality of the air entering your nostrils, and a deep, clearing breath out. Inhale, notice the air entering your body, and exhale, let that be a release. Breathe in, being fully present in this moment in your body. Breathe out. Let go. Continue to breathe and breathe mindfully. Follow your breath, follow the air. If your mind starts to wander, that's totally normal and fine. It happens to me too. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the cadence of your breath, how the breath moves your body. Slowly release your focus on your breath and bring your awareness to the skin line, to the surface of your skin. Notice where the air is touching the exposed skin, and notice where your skin is. And notice where your skin meets your clothes. Then notice the surface you're sitting on, the ground beneath you, and focus on all the connection points with the earth, with the ground. Take one deep breath in. Be present in this breath. Deep breath out, soften and relax into this present moment. One more time, deep breath in, fully present. And a deep breath out, soften and relax into this present moment. Then let's seal this practice together. You can slowly blink your eyes open. Release your hands. Bring your arms out to the sides. As you breathe in, circle your arms up Imagine that you're gathering all the love, light, and blessings. As you exhale, unite your palms and bring those beautiful blessings, love, light, and positive energy into your whole being. Place your hands in prayer position. Give yourself a big thank you. Acknowledge yourself that you showed up, that you stepped on your yoga mat and did your yoga practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. I'm so proud of you for making it this far and allowing me to be part of your practice. Thank you so much for watching. And because you're here, I have a free gift for you, the Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite part was. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!